The T-line.
Transmission line enclosure.
Wow, that looks good.
Sundown X12 V2 T-line enclosure.
Okay.
And I'm running a XDR 2500.1 for the sub, and then my components at the front are on the 500.1. The only thing is running the front speakers and the tweeters.
Okay. So what is a T-line?
Transmission line enclosure.
Okay.
So I'm tuned to 33 hertz, but I play anything well between 30 and on up.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's got like a long port then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Real long.
Gotcha. All right. Have you metered it yet?
No idea what
Right. Okay. What size is it? Stock alternator? Or?
Yeah, no, I'm running a CES 320.
320? Okay. All right.
My buddy told me to go big or go home. If I was going to get an alternator, just go ahead and put in the best you can now.
Yes, sir. That's a good point. That way you don't have to upgrade later. Yeah, it's all right.
Here we go. No, I had a buddy of mine back home in Roanoke, Virginia, build it.
Dude, for a small little sit-up though, that sounds good. It's got good bandwidth too, like you were saying, so you can play the frequency range.
I like that when I first got in, but now that I've heard all these stereos around here, man, I'm like,
there's some pretty crazy ones,
There's some stuff out here.
Yeah, there is. Could I see the box real quick? Is it up? I'd love to see it, man. Awesome, and also the alternator, if I could see that.
Okay.
I appreciate it. I like to see everything.
Might be difficult to see the alt, but
if I can,
it's in the factory location.
Okay. I just like to check it all out.
All right.
What vehicle is this? Is this a Trooper?
Trooper.
Okay.
Way down there.
I see it, yep. And then you got a big upgraded front battery. Excess stuff.
Lithium on both front and back.
Okay. Awesome. Wow. That looks good.
The other battery's up underneath the enclosure there.
Okay. Oh, so you actually fit it underneath. So
well, the battery's on the right side.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so it kind of hides everything, makes it look clean. Awesome, man. Well, nice to meet you. What was your name?
Billy.
Billy, Jacob. Nice to meet you, man.
Yep.
I do YouTube videos, so I figured check it out.
I think I've seen a couple of yours.
Jacob Viral?
Yeah.
You gotta watch some, yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.